Hi guys, how's it going? How's everyone doing? Well, today I've got a 3-ingredient recipe for cookies that are completely paleo and AIP compliant. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, stick around because we're gonna make them, bake them, and try them. I cannot take credit for coming up with this recipe. I actually found it from a girl here on YouTube. I will link her below. Go over there, check her out, show her some love. I think you will find her quite inspiring. I know I have. I believe she's lost 50 or 60 pounds and she got on the paleo and AIP bandwagon, and she shares recipes that are paleo, but she'll tell you if they're AIP compliant or Whole30, which is so helpful. And so anyway, she said these cookies are good to go for AIP, so I naturally had to try them. They're delicious, but my kids liked them too, so we are going to make a batch today. What you are going to need is a ripe banana, some unsweetened coconut, and this is delicious. If I want to crunch on something, I may just take a little bit out of here and go, very good. And we need some vanilla, organic vanilla extract without the alcohol. That's it, guys. We're gonna mash up the banana, add the coconut, a splash of vanilla, and bake at 350 for approximately 10 minutes. I do a little bit longer because I like them not crispy, but just a little done, just as she said in her video. So let's get to it. 1 banana, as I said. I like to use a masher. It just goes by faster, but you could certainly use a fork if you want to. This just makes it so convenient and fast. Because my kids love this recipe, I'm going to double it. Let's add another banana. Like I said, if you have a big family and you want your kids to try this, just double it. And what I like to do is stick the remainder of them in Ziploc bags, and I'll just stick them in the refrigerator. They don't last long. And yeah, so let's get mashing again. By the way, I ordered this coconut on Amazon. It came in a box and you get 3 of them. And you will go through it fast, so I highly recommend. Now, I love vanilla, so I'm gonna do a little more than a splash, you know? Now we're gonna do 2/3 cup unsweetened. Make sure it's unsweetened coconut, but I'm doubling it because I have kids. Now let's mix. So this is what the batter looks like. And what I'm gonna do is go get a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and we're gonna make some little balls on it and kind of smush them down, and then we'll put them in the oven at 350 for 10-15 minutes. So I got my baking pan and I just put some parchment paper on the top, got a little scoop of it, and I just go like this on my hand and stick it on the sheet. Okay, it made 2, 4, 6, 8 cookies. 8 cookies. And now all we have to do is stick them in the oven, and 10-15 minutes it'll be poof, done. So tell me, how are all of you doing this week? I know there's things we can always improve on, and for me this week I need to up my water game. I slipped a little bit on Wednesday because I was out and about and busy, but I plan on downing a bunch of water this weekend. It's really good to stay hydrated. It's good for your hair, it's good for your skin, and it's good for weight loss. Did you steal one of my cookies?
Yes, I did.
One for the road, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I just pulled those out of the oven and the whole house smells amazing. It smells like banana cookies. So I let my cookies go 15 minutes and I like them a little crispy and harder. So anyway, check it out. Look at them. So good. Shall I taste it? I know that's rude to chew on camera, but what would a cooking show be without a bite? So good. They're almost like a macaroon. So good. I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell how wonderful these smell and taste. The best part, no flour needed. And these are a tasty, healthy cookie. So I highly, highly recommend. And let me tell you, nothing tastes better than guilt-free cookies. I don't even feel guilty eating this. And it's good. So if you're looking for a little sweet treat, look no further, try these cookies. I'll put the recipe below and the link to the gal I found them from below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, short and sweet. Again, let me know how you're doing so we can all support each other and learn from one another. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.